During the day, land heats up faster than water, while water heats up more slowly. As the land becomes warmer, the air above it also warms. Warm air expands, becomes less dense or lighter, and rises upward. When air rises, fewer air particles remain near the surface, resulting in low air pressure over the land. In contrast, the sea remains cooler during the day. The air above the cooler sea is denser or heavier and tends to sink, causing high air pressure because more air particles are pressing down on the surface. Because air naturally moves from high pressure to low pressure, the cooler, denser air from the sea flows toward the land to replace the rising warm air. This daytime cycle, where warm air rises over land and cooler air from the sea moves in, is called a sea breeze. It is called a sea breeze because the wind blows from the sea toward the land. As a result, coastal areas are cooler during the daytime because the incoming air from the sea lowers the temperature of the land. During the night, the situation reverses. Land cools down faster than water, while the sea retains heat longer. The air above the sea remains warm, so it rises, creating a low-pressure area over the sea. Meanwhile, the cooler air above the land becomes denser and sinks, creating a high-pressure area over the land. As a result, the cooler, denser air moves from the land toward the sea. This nighttime wind is called a land breeze because the air flows from the land to the sea. During this time, coastal areas are not extremely cold at night because the land loses heat quickly while the sea remains relatively warm. Water's high heat capacity allows it to absorb and release heat slowly, stabilizing temperatures near coastal areas.